Got it?
Yeah, I mean, kind of.
You can feel it kick up from the front.
Oh, right. Yeah, oh yeah, that'll work.
Welcome back to 3C Miniworks, guys. Behind me, we have the hub build. We are officially getting this thing together. Well, kind of. It's not quite there, but we have like 2 weeks to get this thing together for the Small Boy Rally, so let's do it. So now with the battery box in, we can go ahead and start working on the front wheel. I was kind of waiting to do that just because if that front wheel is on, it gives us a lot less space to move this around and kind of push it up. This does kind of bother me. I have this bolt facing the other way versus the other two face this way, but that's mainly because my battery wires, I have 2 sets of battery leads coming out up through here. And the reason why I did that cutout was if they go up through there, they're not going to be on the outside and thus rubbing on the plastics of the bike. So that way they can stay tucked inside and not have any issue with rubbing the wires bare. Oh, and since we're using it, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to this product. It's essentially a middle stand that you can use on any sort of motorcycle, quad, whatever. So if you had a normal gas bike, you'd put that under the engine or like the frame here and just prop it up and you can jack up the bike. It's super awesome. All you do is twist and there's a little socket attachment. But yeah, it makes it super easy. Stuff like this, you can lift up the whole weight of the bike and allows you to work wherever, and it's so tiny and it goes up really high. It's like a scissor lift. Highly recommend. I'll link that in the description below. Super great product. Little update on the brake side here. Went ahead and put the Brembos on. This is so nice. I love how this looks. So we'll go ahead and put the brake on there. I need to wait till I get the fender fitted so I can mount that brake line up. And I think I'm going to go ahead and just use the same pink fuchsia fender that I have. It does have a mark on the top, which kind of sucks, but I'll get another one painted if it really bothers me enough. Otherwise, this is coming together super beautifully. Really happy with it. Let's keep rolling. Aw, yeah, pink is on. I forgot how much I love this color. So nice. It's gonna look so awesome. Alright guys, quick interruption of the video. We officially have the battery in. Wife called me today at work. Hey, come home now. You have a battery to come open up. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. It is officially out and unwrapped. I love the handle placement on this. I specifically asked them that it was above a certain point and that these went upward. You'll still see them from outside the bike just because this is a massive battery, but that was an important little thing, so it's not going to mess with the hold down. This thing is huge. And now what is even more terrifying is when I built this box, there's only about a 1/16 of an inch clearance all the way around this, so there's a chance that that might not fit in there. I mean, I measured it down here, but this box on the outside of the battery is actually all handmade, so it does have a little bit of variance there. I'm gonna get some buddies to come over because, like I said, I'm not supposed to be lifting anything, and that's easily 100 pounds. And we're gonna go ahead and try to throw this thing in here, so wish us luck. Woohoo! Alright, so battery's in, hub motor's off the ground. We're gonna try to power this up for the first time, and we have no idea, we have no clue on how this is gonna go, so that's good. Let's see. So it should be in park. It's gotta take a second. Oh, this has GPS and CarPlay and stuff too, which is really cool.
That's rad. That's wild.
Okay, my park doesn't work, this is fine. Go ahead and blip the throttle, Dave. Yeah.
Oh, hold this back here, Tyler.
I don't know.
Alright.
Okay, do a little more. Just some fire. Sounds like a Jetsons.
It does. That sounds wild.
Got it?
Yeah, I mean, kind of.
You can feel it kick up from the front.
All right. Yeah, oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's really low throttle too.
I think it'll be quick.
Yes, it will. Alright, well, it works! Woohoo! And, I got, what, 3 or 4 days before we leave for Tennessee to try to get this thing together, so. Cool.
Standard.
So I wasn't running the camera when I was doing all the wiring and figuring out why it was stuck in park, why Super wouldn't work. All the pinouts were wrong. It took me a couple hours. Easy. What a pain. But it is together. It's good. You can see there we got the battery in. Oh yeah. It's got a little bit of room up in here, which is perfect for all the phase wires and stuff. Got that all together. Oh, and then I needed to share what I did with the fuel cap. This was normally a rough idea for what I wanted to run on a fuel cap, but I didn't want to spend $150 to $200 on a nice little twist-off cap that I'm not even going to use fuel in. So I went ahead and engraved a block-off plate and then put my YouTube channel on it. So that's pretty cool. This is just a test fit, so this comes out, but on mine, it'll go on the pink bike up there, and that's going to block it off and look awesome, and then it basically advertises the channel, and people walk by and they go, wait a minute, that's weird, if they didn't already see the massive battery that's underneath it. But yeah, I'm really excited about that. This, I don't know, this is something cool and different. Alright guys, so we officially worked through all the bugs on this. I had a lot of issues with the park reading as well as the different speed settings, and Super had to retune it, change the pin out. It was a whole thing, so I saved you guys the hassle watching through that video, but it is officially together. And just to show you guys kind of what we all did in this video with putting it all together, we are pretty much all set to ride this on the road. I cannot express enough how excited I am to do this. However, if you look outside, it is pouring, and I got like 1 day to test this and get it out and ready, so hopefully tomorrow's dry. We'll see. Otherwise, I will catch you guys on the next one, and we will be doing a first ride video. Take care. Bye.